We're here at Collegetown Center to take a look at studio apartment 523. Let's go on in. This is a north rectangle on the street side of the building. This is an odd number studio. Let's go into the kitchen. You can see we passed by the refrigerator. It's a dishwasher and sink, a microwave, a stove, an oven, some cabinets and drawers. The difference between this style, this odd number style apartment from the even number style of apartments is the position of the bathroom. So you can take a look over here. The bathroom is across from the kitchen. It's the same bathroom that you've seen in the other apartments, so we'll have the toilet, sink, medicine cabinet, and the tub shower. Let's go into the hallway, we'll pass by the closet and take a look at that. This particular style of apartment, this exact layout we have in apartment numbers 15, 19, and 23 on the north side. So there are 3 of these on the north side on each floor. So there aren't as many of this apartment style, but this is still a regular north rectangle. The furnishings will be the same. You'll have the full-size bed, dresser, desk and chair, and bookshelf. Let's go take a look out the window. So again, the north side is the street side or Dryden Road side of the building. You can see we're in central Collegetown, so you can always see other buildings around. And we have great views of Dryden Road, so there's some great people watching opportunities here from this side of the building. You can see the heater is over there next to the bed, the air conditioner, the rest of the furnishings. So that's a look at this north rectangle style apartment with the odd number 15, 19, or 23. We are in 523 on the 5th floor of this 6th-floor elevator building located at 151 Dryden Road at the corner of Dryden and College Ave, and we're located just 1 block from campus.